So when we created Nest Detect, we intentionally tried to pack as much into a small space as possible to allow you to put this product wherever you want in your home to feel more secure, on doors or on windows or in little corners tucked away.
What makes Nest Detect more innovative than other products that came before is that it actually combines the open-close detection capability and the motion detection capability into a single product.
You don't have to have multiple devices on your walls or windows or doors. You just have this one pretty small enclosure.
The traditional motion detectors on the market are really massive.
And they're ugly. When I am at home, I don't want to be reminded of I have a security system around me. It was very important to us that we make it discreet.
There are a lot of challenges when you try to fit everything into a really tiny space.
We've got the magazine, the sleeve,
motion sensor, there's an accelerometer,
microcontroller,
radio chip, PIR sensor,
the Batmobile, we've got the Starship.
I think Nest Detect probably has
roughly 40 to 50.
Upwards of 80.
Literally hundreds of parts.
It's packed.
The lens on Nest Detect is about 10 times smaller than your typical other security motion sensor.
Most lenses of that kind are almost 2 inches in size. So to reduce something like this into this much of size is unparalleled.
The motion sensor can also see other external heat sources that aren't humans. We made the silicone part that fits inside. It's protecting our motion sensor from external heat sources. When we need a part to solve a problem, we just design it ourselves.
The Nest Detect is also the first that has multiple duties, motion detection, open and close. And it has quiet open, which is that button that allows you to bypass the alarm.
It has a magnetometer inside, which knows not just open, close, but how open, how closed.
We also added the path light. And we didn't stop there. We went through a lot of exercise to be able to make this device totally UL certified.
It's not throwing a lot of Hail Marys and hoping that things work.
We performed the basic open and close test. We performed it whether it's a slow open, quick open.
Jarring testing, drop testing, temperature testing, humidity testing.
The Nest Detect is able to detect the differences between a human as well as a small dog. We can see there's different shapes in terms of heat. That allows us to be able to distinguish between the two.
We never give up. If we find a problem that we cannot solve, then we double down our efforts. It was like taming a dragon. You try to control the head and the tail rises up, but we all came together to solve those challenges.
Around all of this are the industrial designers who are saying, I want it to be so small and so beautiful.
We agreed that it needed to be small. And for the engineering team, that is a really tough challenge.
It's this back and forth and the dance that makes the job really fun.
We push each other and we challenge each other and we also encourage each other.
Nest's mission is to create a thoughtful home that takes care of the people inside it and the world around it. At the end of the day, we're trying to deliver some really delightful experience for our customers, and that's what keeps us going.